Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I love 164. So today we are going to do the unboxing for this Aston Martin Vantage GT3 from the pop race. You can see what is the situation here. The box is totally like damaged, see. So I'll just open it carefully and show you guys the car. I hope it is fine. Yeah, it is. I'm sorry for that. Look, this is the car, and honestly, if you see the box, have a look on the box. It is so badly damaged. I was not expecting the car would be fine in this, but thankfully it is okay. I really like how they created these wheels, and I don't know, it's Farrell, it says Farrell on the wheels. I don't know, you guys tell me. We have exhaust here, and on the back tail light and everything is there. We have Aston Martin under the spoiler. The side looks crazy. I like the rear view as well. It's all carbon fiber, and look at the front, so aggressive, so beautiful, so nice. We have Aston Martin logo over here. I'm not sure if you are able to see. Yeah, see that? It's a nice one. It's a really nice car. I was looking for this from a very long time, and now finally I'm able to get my hands on it. We do not have much on the base, but on the top you can see we have roll cage inside and everything, right? This is a crazy looking car. It's a nice car. I have like 5 or 6 carbon fiber cars, 4 or 5, and it's going to be add in that collection of carbon fiber cars. It's a nice one. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.